everyone, and welcome to our Sustainability Forum titled Thermosapiens, WARM4EARTH. I am Gwe, the moderator for the forum today, and we have Dr. Ashraf, our executive from Environmental Department of Thermosapiens Life Center Berhad, and Engineer Yuli as Product Analyst, and Professor Hesa as Sustainability Research Officer. And we also have Technologies IR Kritika, Engineering Representative Online that couldn't be with us face to face today. So, for our forum, the title might sound intriguing. Thermosapiens, a play on the idea of Homo sapiens, but with a twist. It symbolizes how humans evolved towards smarter, more sustainable living, just like a thermos that keeps energy and not wasting it. Okay? So today, we'll explore how something is as simple as a thermos bottle represents a bigger picture of innovation, responsibility, and sustainable design. It's more than a beverage container. It's a reminder that small choices can create a global impact. So, in our problem statement, the rise of a single-use plastic has led to pollution and waste. Although thermos bottles are reusable, their production still consumes energy and non-renewable materials, which calls for improvement. So, moreover, this study aims to analyze the thermos life cycle, assess its environmental impact, propose strategies to improve efficiency and recyclability, and highlight engineers' ethical roles in sustainable product development. So let's begin by hearing from our first speaker who will share insights on identification of key sustainable development. So let's welcome Engineer Kritika.
Thank you, moderator. Hi everyone, I'm so sorry that I couldn't make it face to face, had to do online. So yeah, our WARM4EARTH initiative is all about using reusable thermos bottles to reduce single-use plastic waste and promote responsible consumption. Let's open the floor to discuss how our project connects with sustainable development as well as the important social, health, safety, legal and environmental aspects. So first, sustainable development goals. So WARM4EARTH directly supports SDG 12, responsible consumption and production by reducing dependence on single-use plastics and fostering a culture of reuse and sustainability. Next, the project encourages eco-friendly consumer behavior through daily usage of reusable thermos bottles, contributing to long-term environmental change. Next is social impact. The initiative raises awareness about the importance of environmental care and inspires users to adopt sustainable habits. So, WARM4EARTH supports local economies by embracing ethical manufacturing practices and potential creating more local jobs. So, that one will be health and safety. So, the bottles are made using BPA-free, food-grade stainless steel, which ensures beverages remain uncontaminated by harmful chemicals and safe for daily consumption. Their designs include leak-proof and spill-resistant features as well as insulation that prevents burns, addressing practical safety concerns for all age groups. Then next will be legal and regulator compliance. So all thermos bottles comply with relevant food safety standards, product labeling, legislation and environmental regulations, guaranteeing product integrity and safeguarding consumer rights. Legal compliance also ensure accountability throughout the supply chain from materials used to marketing claims. So the last one will be environmental benefits. By minimizing reliance on single-use plastic, WARM4EARTH directly helps to reduce plastic pollution in waste streams and natural habitats. The next one will be the bottles are engineered for durability and recyclability, leading to a lower carbon footprint compared to disposable alternatives. So that's all is my point for now. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Engineer Kritika. What an amazing insight. So now I would like to ask Engineer Lee. So in designing your thermos bottle, what ethical principles guided your engineering decisions?
Yes, our approach was guided by the Board of Engineers Malaysia (BEM) Code of Ethics, which emphasized prioritizing public safety, health, and welfare. This guided us to ensure that all selected material were non-toxic, BPA-free, and safe for long-term food and drink usage. This ethical responsibility shaped our material selection and product testing process.
Okay, understand. So, how did the team ensure the thermos is safe for users from a legal compliance standpoint?
Yeah, we aligned with the Food Act 1983 and the Food Regulations 1985, ensuring all contact surface meets food safety standards. The stainless steel used is food grade, while silicone components are certified non-toxic, preventing chemical leaching or contamination.
I see. So, how do consumer rights and product transparency factor into the design and labeling of this thermos?
In line with the Consumer Protection Act 1999, We ensure all product information is accurate and not misleading. Labels include real performance metrics, maintenance instructions, and usage limits, which allowing consumers to make informed choices and strengthening brand trust.
And next, what environmental regulations influence your production process?
The Environmental Quality Act (EQA) 1974 shape our sustainable manufacturing decisions. We reduce metal scrap, repurpose leftover materials, and avoid toxic surface finish, lowering environmental impact and promoting responsible production practices.
So I have one last question. Was there any cost versus sustainability trade-off in your decisions?
Yes, choosing stainless steel increased costs compared to plastic alternatives. However, in its long lifespan, durability, and reduced disposal impact outweigh short-term savings. This aligns with ethical engineering decisions that prioritize long-term public and environmental benefit.
Okay, what a wonderful insights. Thank you, Miss Seniority. But so I would like to share a little bit from my experience in sustainability. I've seen how even simple products can have a big environmental impact. So thermos manufacturing actually involves challenges like energy-intensive production, stainless steel waste, and plastic disposal, just like what Engineer Ely shared with us just now. So to manage this, companies actually have to use energy-efficient methods, recycled materials, and recyclable designs as their foundations in the production. So what stands out is Thermos' commitment to sustainability over convenience, choosing durable, eco-friendly materials, minimal packaging, and promoting reusable bottles, even if it's more costly or complex. So, in balancing the performance, cost, and environmental impact requires careful trade-off, but by integrating circular economy principles, Thermos shows that the innovation and sustainability can go in hand. So, being a Thermosapien means making conscious choices that benefit both people and the planet. So, Dr. Ashraf, how was working on the WARM4EARTH Thermos Water project influence your perspective on balancing technical skills with ethical responsibility and environmental sustainability in your future engineering practice?
Well, thank you, moderator. Working on the WARM4EARTH Thermos Water project has been a meaningful and transformative experience for me. At the beginning, I viewed engineering mainly from a technical standpoint to focus on performance, durability, and insulation efficiency. But through this project, I began to realize that engineering goes far beyond just technical performance. Every decision we made, from material selection to product function, carry ethical, environmental, and social implications. For instance, choosing stainless steel and bamboo was just not a technical choice. It was also an ethical one. These materials are reusable, recyclable, and safe for consumers. This which reflects our responsibility to both people and the planet. This experience made me understand that sustainability is not an optional feature but a core engineering value. I also learned to balance between cost efficiency and environmental responsibility. There were times when sustainable material increased production costs, but this then taught me to prioritize long-term environmental benefits over short-term saving, a mindset essential for professional engineering. Most importantly, this project helped shape my engineering identity. I learned to think critically, make ethically sound decisions, and communicate transparently about product impact. It strengthened my belief that engineers are not just problem solvers, but also guardians of safety, honesty, and sustainability. On a personal level, I have become more aware of how small design decisions can create large impact. Something as simple as promoting a reusable thermos water can encourage communities to reduce plastic waste and live more sustainably. This project inspired me to integrate sustainable and ethical thinking into everything I design in the future. In short, the WARM4EARTH project has transformed my view of engineering from a purely technical profession into a purpose-driven practice rooted in sustainability, ethics, and the welfare of society. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Doctor. What a wonderful insight. So now, Dr. Hessa, building on your reflections, it's clear that the WARM4EARTH Thermos Water project goes beyond personal learning. Could you elaborate on its positive impact on the community, society, and the environment, and how sustainable design can create meaningful change on a larger scale?
Okay, before I begin, thank you, moderator Ms. Quay. The WARM4EARTH Thermos Water project is more than just a product for individual convenience. It's designed to create positive change for the community, society, and the environment. At community level, it encourages environmentally responsible habits. By using reusable thermos bottles, people reduce their dependence on disposable plastics. which helps to cut down the local litters and lowers waste management costs for municipalities. It also affects how people interact. The simple act of refilling bottles promotes collaboration between residents and local businesses through bring your own bottle programs. This builds a sustainable, inclusive community culture. So the impact on society as a whole is basically the project supports sustainable consumption aligning with the UN Sustainable Development Goal 12. It also encourages healthier lifestyles when people use reusable bottles. They tend to drink more water or home prepared beverages instead of sugary packaged drinks. There are also economic benefits where the rising demand for reusable, eco-friendly products pushes manufacturers to invest in cleaner production and ethical sourcing, creating a ripple effect that transforms industries towards sustainability. The environmental benefits of this project are also quite significant because one reusable thermos bottle can replace hundreds of single-use plastic bottles each year, which actually helps reducing plastic pollution in oceans and landfills. But producing stainless, you may ask, producing stainless steel energies are intensive, but that's true. However, because of the bottle's long lifespan and recyclability, it overalls the carbon footprint per use, which decreases greatly over time. Plus, by reducing the need for new plastic, we also cut down on greenhouse gas emissions and fossil fuel use. So what we can conclude about this WARM4EARTH project is the WARM4EARTH Thermos Bottle project proves a simple, well-designed product that can encourage responsible consumption, shift social behavior towards sustainability, and create a measurable environment improvement. It's a very strong example of how ethical and sustainable engineering design can benefit both people and the planet in the long run. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Hessa, for your sharing. So, our forum has come to an end. Allow me to add a little bit summaries from from the output. So, thermos manufacturing carries a hidden environmental cost, but the company's focus on energy efficiency, recycled materials, and durable design show a real commitment to sustainability. So, by choosing long-term environmental responsibility over convenience, thermos actually sets a very strong example for more responsible product production. So that is all from me, and thank you for your presentation today. And we are glad to have one of our member online. And that is all from us. Thank you.